friends, it's Sonia Miller here of Junk Monkey Paint Company. Welcome back to my channel. You guys know that on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I love to do vlogs on here, give you little glimpses into behind the scenes here at the Junk Monkey, whether you're coming on vacation with us, we're doing DIY stuff, taking you junking and thrifting with me, all the good stuff. You never know what you'll find here on our channel. So thank you so much for subscribing, and I lag to hear from you guys. Yes, I read all the comments when you leave them below. So I am taking a moment here because, yay, my new Ipsy bag arrived, and I did not want to open this without sharing it with you guys. You guys have been messaging me, telling me you enjoy watching me open them. You guys, you know what? I think there's something fun about opening something from a pretty pink package that comes from you in the mail and you have no idea what's inside, right? And so anyway, I'm really excited. So anyway, let's go ahead and open it. Yay, 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 yay. Thank you guys as well. I know that a few of you guys in my last video went ahead and signed up underneath me for Ipsy with my refer a friend link. Thank you so much, because yesterday I was able to take my points, because remember that if you do use my link to sign up with my refer a friend link, and I'll put it below, just copy and paste and put it right in your browser if it just doesn't open up when you click on it, if you want to be an Ipsy person as well. But yeah, so because of that, I redeemed some points. I get points when I refer friends, and so much like if you guys sign up, you'll also get a special link so you can tell your friends about it too, okay? And it's fun because when you get points and I get points, then we can redeem it on the website for free makeup. And so I ordered myself a couple little things that I could select from yesterday, so I'm excited because next month's vlog here on my Ipsy should include them. So it's the first time I've been able to get like some freebies, and so since I started sharing it with you guys, so I'm excited to be able to see what I get. I'm already loving this right now, guys. I don't even know what's inside this bag yet, but can I just tell you, like, this bag is absolutely adorable. I've been really thinking about like doing some pumpkins, maybe over my Facebook page, which follow me over there if you're not watching me, because that's where I do a whole lot of daily DIYing Monday through Friday. But this kind of like makes me feel like I want to paint a pumpkin. I could even put some black velvet on it, put some fake eyelashes or paint some fake eyelashes, a little bling bling. Wouldn't that be super cute? All right. So now you know, if you see me do pumpkins, like this sort of style pumpkins, you know where I got my inspiration. So it smells so good, guys. Oh my goodness gracious. All right, let's see what's in here. Okay, well, I should look at the card first before I even pull that out. So they always give you like a theme of what's going on that month. Here it says, the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. Heck yeah, I love the theme of the month right here, right? So that's pretty darn cool. So then they tell you what's in the bag, and they also give you, because you're now considered like an Ipsy shopper once you're a member, then you can also go online and shop. So if you like the brands, you can shop online and get like percentages off and that sort of thing. So the first thing is some translucent powder. Is it like maybe setting powder? So for me, I love a good foundation, and then I use a powder over the top of it. Oh yeah, this is nice. It's called White Sand. I could even use this as a highlighter. So when you do highlighting, like, it's honestly like makeup is like painting, right? It's the same thing. You just paint your face, and so you want to like highlight your cheekbones. Think about where the light is hitting me right now. So if you ever want to, like, you know, you want to glow, that's what you have to think about. So I love that. All right, let's see. What is this? What is this? It says Pretty Petal, and it's an eyeshadow. Oh, how cool. So I got a little eyeshadow. This is always fun. Oh, it's got a little tab over the top of it. So it's like glittery, kind of like pink kind of color. Let's see here. Oh yeah. And everything comes sealed. I've been doing Ipsy now for about 2 years, and I love it. So if you can see it through the back, it's that really pretty, like light pink, a little bit of peachy pink, which I like because I'm not somebody who tends to wear like dramatic makeup. I just like to feel fresh and natural. But now when I do get to go out with Matt and we do a little, you know, night in the town, then of course, then I'll go more dramatic. So this is what's called Weightless Smoothing Cream, and I'm wondering if that is a primer. I'll have to look that up, so I can go onto their website this month and look this up and find more information about it. Weightless Soothing Cream. I'm seriously thinking that this might be a primer, which is what you put on your face before you put the rest of the makeup on. So that would be my best guess for that. So I'm gonna look that up. I might even say on the back of this card as well. All right, let's see what this is. This is a, ooh, this is good. This is a 2-in-1 facial foam daily cleanser and makeup remover. Oh yeah, I like it. All right, it's good to have some makeup remover. You're never supposed to go to bed leaving your makeup on your face. I'm guilty. Are you guilty? True story. All right, but this is good. So it removes makeup in addition to daily buildup. It's got some green tea in it and gently cleanses. And it's gentle enough for all skin types, which is good for me. So when you fill out the profile before you do Ipsy, like for me, I made sure that I like let them know that I was a sensitive person, meaning that I tend to break out really easily. So for me, I've got to be careful what I put on my face. So that's good. So I like when I get stuff that's all like for that sort of thing, for all skin types, sensitive, you know, gentle. That's up my alley. This is a really cool brush right here. So this is really nice too. If you had to go buy brushes, Luxel, I think that's a really good name. I've heard that name before. So this is why I love Ipsy, right? Because number one, I'm so busy anyhow. I don't have time to go out and shop makeup. That's just not one of the things that's on my list. I will shop junk and thrifted all day long, but when it comes to makeup, it makes me feel overwhelmed because you go through all the makeup aisles and it's just filled with everything. Here, I just get like 5 things a month, and so after a while, you've got quite the collection, and it's like $10, right? So for me, again, a girl who, you know, I'm not somebody who throws my money away. I'm very careful, and I don't want to splurge. Like, I'm not a big splurger. So for me, $10 is perfect to receive 5 things. I didn't have to go to the store. I didn't have to get overwhelmed. It introduces me to things that, number one, it introduces me to brands that I didn't even know about. But number two, it introduces me to products that are out there, like the things that the makeup industry are making, and you're like, oh my gosh, I never knew that that was even a thing. And I also find that I use the products, and like, you know, I didn't think that I thought always I would love like putting eyeliner on, but I always would love the pencil eyeliner. And then I ran out of my pencil eyeliner. I used my liquid liner that was in one of my Ipsy bags. I put it on. I'm like, I can't go back to a pencil. Now I love it, right? So I find myself finding products, brands, and also realizing that, you know, being like probably a girl that shops like dollar store makeup, because the entire other world out there is a little bit overwhelming to me, that I find it nice because everything gets sent to me, and like I say, it's like, you know, you pick your color palette and everything else when you sign up for Ipsy, but it's really cool, and you get it, and then before you know it, you're like, you become like a makeup lover because you're like, I never knew this existed. This is so good. Why haven't I tried it before? And being somebody who I was starting to say about like a, you know, a dollar store brand kind of girl shopper, grab and go, when you are introduced to like makeup lines that are more of the luxurious kind, what happens is you realize that there is a difference. You know, you realize that, you know, when you put, if you want your eyeshadow to stay all day, and maybe you're using something from like a cheaper, lower brand, which some lower brands can be great too, but there's also companies out there that, you know, really go all in with their makeup. And so instead of like maybe a dry powder for your eyeshadow, now you have something that's highly pigmented. And what happens is it's even more of a cream or something like that. You find that your eyeshadow stays on all during the day. So anyway, I love it. So I get like 5 things a month on average, plus the cute little bag that it comes into. It is well worth it for me. I throw it, I have honestly, all my bags and everything, you know, I use these all over again for like my supplies and things. I'll throw in here anything that I need, little odds and ends, and make use of those. Oh man, this bag smells so good. But I have a nice bin that I got, like a decorative plastic bin that I got from Walmart, and I throw in all my little things. So I have like my section for my eyeliner, my mascara. Like at any given time, I probably have 3 or 4 mascaras ready to go. So when I finish up with the last one, I have more to go. So I never run out of makeup, which is awesome. I have lots of options. And yeah, so anyway, this is my happy time for the day. Thank you for watching with me. Happy Tuesday. Happy Wednesday. It is Happy Wednesday today, so you are watching this real time on Wednesday. So, but I am loving this month's bag, and like I say, next month, because of you guys, I'll have some other extra seat things in it, and I'll show you what I picked, what Ipsy gave me for free, since I referred and shared with you guys a little bit about them, and a few of you guys decided to use my link. So, and I'll put that below again. All right, so that is it. Happy Wednesday. Hopefully you get into some painting, whether it's painting your face or painting some furniture. Just have some fun, get creative, because yeah, that's the fun part of life, right? All right, see you guys again Friday. Bye.